Good morning everyone. I'm Gayatri Devi from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today my topic is about FCFS scheduling algorithm with suitable example. Introduction to FCFS algorithm scheduling. FCFS is nothing but first come and first serve. It is the simplest CPU scheduling algorithm used in operating systems. It executes processes strictly in the order in which they arrive in the ready queue. Nature of FCFS. Its type is non-primitive and scheduling algorithm. Its presumption it is not alert. Data structure used. Queue. It follows FIFO, that is first in first out in the queue form. Decision mode based only on arrival time. Once a process starts executing, it runs until it completes its CPU burst. It does not stop at the middle. How FCFS works in the step-by-step order. When a process arrives, it's placed at the end of the ready queue. The CPU selects the process at the front of the queue. That process executes completely. After completion, the CPU selects the next process in the queue. This continues until all processes are completed. Important terms in the arrival time. Arrival time, burst time, completion time, waiting time and turnaround time. First of all, we have to know what is arrival time. Arrival time is nothing but a process that enters when the queue is ready. Burst time. Time required by a process to execute on the CPU and it is called burst time. Completion time, that is CT, is nothing but time at which a process finishes execution. And we have two more important terms, that is waiting time and turnaround time. Waiting time is nothing but time spent waiting in the ready queue. To calculate the waiting time, the formula is starting time minus arrival time. Turnaround time. Turnaround time is nothing but total time taken from the arrival to completion. That is, to calculate the turnaround time, the formula is completion time minus arrival time. We have another formula, that is waiting time plus burst time. Here I have taken a numerical example where processes are P1, P2, P3, P4 and arrival time 0, 2, 4, 5 and burst time 6, 4, 2, 3. To calculate the FCFS scheduling algorithm, the first step is order of execution. Since FCFS depends only on the arrival time, we have to follow F1, that is P1, P2, P3, P4. We have to follow only in this order since it is based on the arrival time. Second step is Gantt chart. We have to arrange the given arrival times in the Gantt chart. That is 0, 6, 10, 12, 15. We get it like this. Completion time. And now we are calculating the completion time. And we got outputs as 6, 10, 12, 15. And step 4 we have to calculate turnaround time. The formula for turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time. Since here we have calculated the arrival time and burst time. And step 5, this is the last step to calculate the FCFS scheduling algorithm. That is waiting time equals to turnaround time minus burst time. And step 6 is average times. That is, we have to calculate average of waiting time and we have to calculate average of turnaround time. As we have calculated here average waiting time, we get output as 4.25 and average turnaround time output is 8. At last I conclude that FCFS is the most basic CPU scheduling algorithm. It is easy to implement but suffers from poor performance in the systems where processes have widely varying burst times. It works best in simple batch systems but is not suitable for modern interactive operating systems. It is easy to implement but suffers from poor performance in systems where processes have widely varying burst times. In this, we cannot stop at the middle and it should be continued till the whole process is completed. It works best in a simple batch system, but it is not suitable for modern interactive operating systems.